Hello, I'm Abhishek Chaudhary and currently I'm working as a senior data engineer with GetYourGuide Berlin.
And I'm Maximilian Genders, a data scientist at GetYourGuide. At the QuantConf, we would like to talk about our scalable data science-based bidding platform that's handling terabytes of data every day, which we have built at GetYourGuide. We are an online marketplace connecting tourists worldwide with suppliers offering tours, tickets and activities in destination, and are using online advertisement to reach new customers.
The platform, therefore, is responsible for predicting the value of search terms in various search engines like Google, Bing, etc. As we bid on tens of millions of keywords, the scale of this problem is huge, and that effectively brings numerous complexities. Currently, the platform is processing terabytes of data every day and applying a host of complex operations to provide good data for the data science team. There are multiple sources of data that add more complexities, and as a data engineer, I am responsible to handle them without compromising the simplicity of the product. Since any changes will directly impact a major revenue stream of GetYourGuide, every change needs to be monitored and tested before deploying into the production. And there is no exception on this, which brings the additional responsibility of improving the testing and monitoring almost every day.
From a data science perspective, we have challenges like identifying and quickly adapting to seasonal trends like you see in vacation time. Also, the sheer size of our keyword space is a problem because we have a long tail of keywords that have very little performance, but overall make up a good chunk of our SEM revenue. And so, therefore, our model needs to be robust against high variance in our data. We hope you like our proposal and would love to present this to you at the QuantConf in October in Budapest. Thank you.
Thank you.